Good morning, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I have a small injury, so I cannot take class using whiteboard. So please cooperate me.
Dear students, let us start our second chapter. Our second chapter name is Fun with Numbers. Here have one picture. That picture containing Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting imli seeds. Radhika said, I have picked 24 seeds. Gauri says, hurry, I got 47 seeds. Sunil said, here are 38 seeds. Indra said, I got 54 seeds. And also Vicky said, I think I have collected 42 seeds. Then, based on this picture, here have some questions. First question, Dash collected the most seeds. Who is most seeds collected? Here have we can identify from this picture 54 seeds is the most collected seeds, that is Indra is collected, so that is the answer. Then second question, Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Here have seeds collected by Vicky is equal to 42 seeds. Seeds collected by Sunil is 38. Number of more seeds Sunil should be collected to equal to Vicky. We can calculate 42 minus 38. We can subtract 42 minus 38. Then we can get 4. So Sunil will collect 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Third question is, if Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash. We know that Radhika have 24 seeds. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, then total number of seeds with her will be 24 plus 6. So we get 30 seeds. So the answer, if Radhika gets 6 more seeds, then she will have 30 seeds. Fourth question, how many children have more than 40 seeds? We can identify from these pictures. Radhika have 24, so not more than 40. Gauri have 47, so one more than 40 seeds. Then Vicky have 42, so 2 seeds more than 40. Then also Indra have 54 seeds, so 3 children have more than 40 seeds. Next question, Dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. From this picture we can identify Gauri has 47 seeds. If she collects 3 more seeds, then the total number of seeds with her will be 50. 47 plus 3 is equal to 50. So answer, Gauri needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Last question. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. Here Sunil has 38, so 40 minus 2 is 38. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40, that is correct. And Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. 2 seeds more than 40 means 42. 42 seeds is Vicky collected 42 seeds. The answer, Vicky has 2 seeds more than 40. Dear students, this have dot game for entertainment. This here have one box containing small dots. Then also have circle. Guess the number of dots in that circle. Then count and check your guess. Also play with this game in your mother or father, your brother or sister. Okay, then you find who can guess best. Dear students, today wind up our class, so please do our first page activity and also play this game. You draw a circle and ask to how many dots in that circle. You ask to your friends or relatives. Okay, then count that answer. This is the today class. Thank you. Have a nice day.